Let us do this, gang.
Hey, guess what? Ding ding.
Whoa, you just friendly fired.
I dinked you.
That you just friendly fired? That's racist. I'm calling the police.
I got the rental this time.
Move! Oh my goodness, I'm making a slow lane for traffic. That's fine. You nice person.
I'm sorry for our reaction.
I'm so sorry. I love you. Wait, come back. I'll get out. I'll get out for you. I'll get out for you, man. I'm sorry. This keeps on happening. These hands have spilled the blood of innocence. And also the enemy too. My leg was out in the open and I almost got shot.
I know. I know.
Second time, baby. Trouble! Trouble! Oh, my head. This is like the second time I've been shot. Oh, that hurts. But it feels so good. Especially my penis. Hey. Come on, baby. That's how we play, baby. That's how we play. We don't play to just play. We play to play. Take a blue phone. Yo! It's really funny. Get it? This is shitting the helmet. Wait, hold on. Imagine that. Wait, hold on. No, wait, do it. Do it again. Oh, no. Just.
Flipped.
Don't worry. I played Rainbow Six Siege once. I know what to do. Oh, hey, are you purple? Are you purple?
That wasn't me.
Oh. My savior. Nice shooting, bro.
Bang, bang.
Surrender! Stop resisting! Get down! Get down! Get down! Get down! Go under. Ah, freak! Same team! Same team! Yeah, one of you guys shot me in the head. Alright guys, remember, shoot them and shoot them more. Just kidding, I love it. For extra scare tactics, shoot your gun sideways.
Hey, why don't we all just start screaming and running at him?
Dude, I got shot in my hand. Not cool, bro. Not cool. Ah! Ah!
Run and scream! Run and scream!
Yes! Yes! He stuck one! Oh, he got shot. You go, man! Oh, sorry. Alright, sorry. Surrender. Sorry if I hit you close. I'm sorry. Yeah, sorry about that. There's so many people. Oh, sorry. I tried to shoot them. I'm sorry. I'll take it. I'll take it. Dude, now it's getting fun. Yeah. One more left. Two boys, second. Nice shooting, man. Whoa! Surrender? Ah! Throw it! Nah, you got me. Please tell me I was recording the entire thing. Yes, I was. Yo! I'm so hot! No, I'm not, but like, yeah! I was just running out of gas, too. Perfect game. Oh. Hey guys, I want to remind you guys that we're going to win this game because I have a blicky. Honestly. Damn. If you guys shoot me, I am suing. And I am...
You know this
okay, but...
like...
God.
Stop it!
Get it! Sorry. Someone help me! I'm getting shot by the ops! Is this thing even shooting? Yeah, it is. I'm down! They ain't never gonna expect this.
Damn, I got 3 kills. This thing's nice.
How many rounds is that?
Huh?
How many rounds?
What?
Rounds!
Like 5.
Yeah, I'm sorry, I have a low mag call. I think it's a good thing. Stop it! Ah, damn.
I got 3 rounds.
If you don't lock in, I'ma make you. Bomba clap! Hit! Dead man! Oh. Bomba clap!
They're using cracks.
I don't know what to give you. There's no BBs on the table.
Alright.
That's like, do you want to use this?
Huh?
You want to get this back?
Alright, sure.
Alright. I'll just refuel this. Oh. Come on, you want to shoot? Ow! Hey, what the fuck? Dude! Damn it! Sorry. What did I shoot you?
He shot my...
Oh!
No, I'm good. Okay.
You good?
I'm good.
I'm so sorry, man. I am so sorry.
I'm
You good?
Yeah, I'm good. I'm good.
You good? Dude, I'm so sorry. I'm really sorry about that.
You're good. He shot my...
Wiener.
Dude, I didn't even need to, man. I feel so bad.
The larger left.
There's someone over there.
Bang, bang. Bang, bang. Yo, bang, bang. Right here. You gonna haunt it?
Ow! All over my leg. You know what? I'm mad. Good. Oh, what?
There's a kid like all the way to the left of the street.
Yeah. Oh, I'm pretty sure from that.
Oh, there's kids everywhere. There's kids everywhere. There's kids everywhere.
Oh, ceasefire?
I heard someone say ceasefire. Is that me? I don't know.
People are still shooting.
Yo, who called ceasefire?
Yo, did someone call ceasefire?
Someone called ceasefire.
Oh, ceasefire! Ceasefire!
Someone called a ceasefire.
Get back to your spawn zone!
Yeah.
Someone called a ceasefire. I don't think so.
Dude, keep on getting lit up by the yellow, what is Oh, damn.
I just rushed up there.
Dude, I accidentally shot my own teammate in the balls. I don't even mean to.
You guys know what happened?
Hey, who was the guy I shot? Yeah, you. Again. Dude, again. No. You have to look at me! Look at me! I'm sorry. You're me in the balls.
You're okay.
Love you! But not like that. No.